What's up, everybody? It's Campin' Randy here, RidgelineStore.com. Got some requests on how to put in the low profile air deflector, so I'm going to show you a recap real quick. When I got it, I was so excited to put it on. I just threw it on, so I'm going to walk you through how to put it on and install it. It's pretty simple. You do need a very small Torx head, which I'll show you, or an Allen key, and it has double-sided tape on everything, and we'll walk through it real quick. Enjoy. So of course, like anything, you want to fit it to make sure it's positioned on there correctly. You get a couple alcohol wipes with it, but I just Windexed this all down and made sure it was all clean and free of bugs and debris. You're going to have some 3M double-sided tape that runs here and down here all the way across. So once you test fit it and you peel off that back or that 3M tape and you start to lay it down on there, I recommend you get this area squared up before you drop it down, and over here, and you'll see that it goes underneath the lip there. And then what you want to do is, as you push it out, you'll get these sides over here lined up properly. So, and then you can start to push it down. But what you're going to do first, before you test fit it, is you have some little brackets that go from here down underneath. I'm going to show you those real quick. So this has got a little metal bracket that comes down and around. And what's awesome is you're going to open this up, and there's a glare here from the sun. Let me try the other side. Yeah, here we go. So anyway, when you get the kit, it's going to come with these brackets, this screw, this washer, and that Allen key. And then it's going to have two clear pieces of tape, and then a square piece of plastic that underneath this, it's a square, it's empty. You know, it looks like one of these, but it's square. So you'll just pop that pre-threaded piece of plastic in there, and then you'll take the white tape that you see there and tape it up and over, because this piece of metal goes up and over, and so you don't scratch anything. Keep this loose because it's adjustable, and once that you lay this down, you'll see the screw hole for this. Keep this off. You're going to peel off the 3M tape like I said, position it, lay it down, and then what you're going to do is, to get this squared up in the hole, you'll just move this around and adjust it. I suggest put this on first and fasten it, and then start your screw here, and then tighten both of those down. And that's pretty much it. It is very simple. It does not come with any instructions, so you just have to figure it out. It is completely covered with a protective layer, and I suggest you peel that off at the end. If you have any questions, and these things are pretty cheap, they're under $100. The other one that sticks way up, but that I'm not a fan of, that one's a little bit more expensive, but we sell both of them on the Ridgeline store. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, if you have this installed already and you like it, let me know. But I really like the look of it, and hope to get your order. Thanks for shopping with us at Ridgeline Store and following us, liking and subscribing. Put some comments down on the bottom. Enjoy the adventures.